Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you 4 quick and easy hairstyles which are completely natural without any hard hold and stuff, and which will look pretty good on you. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop right into it. The first hairstyle is called a modern quiff. I applied few squirts of spray mousse throughout my hair length and worked my way through, after which I started blow drying in the opposite direction and then in the normal direction in which my hair grows. After which, while moving towards the end, I started blow drying from back to forward to achieve maximum volume. Remember, the blow drying process for this hairstyle is quite important. If you mess up the blow drying process, your entire hairstyle will be ruined. After that, I will apply a small amount of matte clay through my entire hair to achieve great hold and keep my hairstyle in place all day long. And this wraps up hairstyle number 1. The second hairstyle is my favorite, the side swept hairstyle. It doesn't take much time to make it. You just need to work your way through, take a round brush, and then swoop those little hair on the side. It takes practice to perfect it. The third hairstyle is called the modern messy quiff. So I started off this hairstyle by achieving the normal clean quiff, which is not messy at all. Then after that, I texturized my hair to achieve that messy effect. I absolutely love this hairstyle as it gives that careless look, which is absolutely amazing. You guys should give it a try. You won't regret it. Hairstyle number 4 is that boy band kind of hairstyle, which I personally did not like. See, some guys can actually rock it pretty well. Texturize it in your way and you're good to go. It's a wonderful hairstyle. Give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button and yes, subscribe for more amazing videos. And if you want some great fashion and hair inspiration, don't forget to check out my Instagram, which is @Maximus_Arana. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Peace.